If your hydrangeas are looking tired, droopy, or refusing to bloom, don't worry, you may still have time to save them. The last weeks of July are one of the most important periods for hydrangeas. A few simple tasks right now can mean bigger blooms, healthier leaves, and stronger plants next spring. Today, I'll show you 7 essential things every hydrangea needs before July ends. Surprisingly, most gardeners skip at least half of them, and their plants pay the price. Let's get started. Late July is when hydrangeas shift their energy. Instead of producing new leafy growth, many varieties begin preparing flower buds for next year's blooms. That means every decision you make now, from watering to pruning, can affect how your garden looks months from now. Getting these steps right is easier than most people think. Number 1, water deeply, not frequently. Hydrangeas have shallow roots, but they still need moisture to reach deeper into the soil. Instead of watering every day for a few minutes, give your plants a long soak 2 or 3 times each week. Early morning is best because less water evaporates and the leaves have time to dry before evening. Number 2, refresh your mulch. A layer of 2 to 3 inches helps keep soil cool, reduces evaporation, and suppresses weeds. Wood chips, shredded bark, or leaf mulch all work well. Just remember to keep mulch a few inches away from the stems to prevent rot. Number 3, put away the high nitrogen fertilizer. Too much fertilizer late in the season encourages leafy growth instead of flower production. If your hydrangeas are healthy, they usually don't need another strong feeding this late in July. Healthy roots are more important than extra leaves. Number 4, remove faded flowers, but only if your hydrangea variety allows it. Some hydrangeas bloom on old wood, meaning next year's flower buds are already forming. Cutting too low could accidentally remove next season's blossoms. Always identify your variety before pruning. When in doubt, trim only the spent flower head. Number 5, inspect your plants every few days. Look underneath leaves for aphids, spider mites, or signs of fungal disease. Catching problems early is much easier than treating severe infestations later. Healthy leaves today mean stronger blooms next year. Number 6, protect hydrangeas from harsh afternoon heat. Morning sun is wonderful, but intense afternoon sunlight can scorch flowers and stress the plant during hot summer days. If possible, provide partial shade during the hottest hours. Finally, don't panic if your flower color changes. Blue, pink, and purple hydrangeas often respond to soil pH rather than plant health. Changing flower color takes time, so avoid making sudden adjustments. Focus on keeping your plant healthy first. Beautiful blooms always start with healthy roots. A few simple tasks before July ends can make an incredible difference next season. Water deeply, refresh your mulch, avoid heavy fertilizing, prune carefully, watch for pests, provide afternoon shade, and be patient with flower color. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what color are your hydrangeas this year? Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.